In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the shipping calculated at checkout message in Shopify. As you can see here, when you're in the cart section, there's a line that says taxes, discounts, and shipping calculated at checkout. To remove this message, head over to your Shopify account. Once you're logged in, click on Online Store from the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Scroll down and you'll see your active theme listed. In front of your theme name, there are 3 dots. Click on these 3 dots, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Edit Default Theme Content. Now in the search box at the top, type in the phrase Shipping Calculated at Checkout. This will filter the theme text content and show you the areas where this phrase appears, particularly in the cart section. You'll see the message displayed in different text boxes. To remove it, click and drag to highlight the text in each of these boxes, delete it completely, and then enter a single space in each box. Make sure you do this for every box that displays the message. Once you've cleared them all, click on Save at the top right-hand corner of your screen to apply the changes. Now go back to your store cart page and refresh it. You'll see that the Shipping Calculated at Checkout message has been removed. And that's how you can successfully remove the Shipping Calculated message in Shopify.